Evening Ballbags. This is Rudolph Giuliani, former mayor of New York City. Donald Trump has chosen me as his running mate. I've chosen to declare this on this illustrious podcast, Bodega Boys, featuring one, Desus Nice, and the Kid Mero, both of who I have had the pleasure of prosecuting in Bronx criminal court. The opinions expressed by these two pieces of garbage may or may not be those of Red Bull or Viacom or anybody who pays for them to do these filthy things. Vote for me, vote for Trump, make America great again, and let's get all the Mexicans out of here and jail the homeless. Vote for Giuliani. Thank you.
Yo, what up? It's your boys. It's Bodega Boys.
That's right.
Episode 21.5, an emergency podcast.
Nigga, in the echo chamber.
In the echo chamber, recording live from Anne Frank's attic. Yo, we're literally in one of the, the Real World Confessionals from MTV Real World.
Yep.
We're in one of those right now.
With the mad whimsical furniture, nigga.
And so you hear an echo, and you're like, yo, this shit is whack. What the fuck? Where's the crystal clear audio quality?
No.
Well, listen. Here, take this advice. Red Bull is doing a festival, and we cannot go into the studio for a month.
You know what I'm saying?
So our option was either stop the podcast for a month, or do an emergency podcast and try to continue to give it to you and feed the streets. And here's your option, and this is what you're getting. So it's your boy Desus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Mr. 1994, aka Buchos Gully, aka Milovan Might Know Your Bitch, aka Eli Litby. In the house.
That's right. It's your boy K Mero, aka Human Do Rag Flap, aka ZD Noodle, aka Young Do Rag Flap, aka everything in the world, Stevie B of East Tremont Avenue. Yo, listen to us. This is important that you understand this. Right now, niggas are sitting on a rug that's probably was purchased from Forever 21.
This looks like IKEA. It's like the IKEA polar rug. This looks like a Brooklyn apartment.
Yo,
this looks like the first.
This is a $5,000 month apartment. This is FYI. You know what I'm saying?
And you have 5 roommates. And you all share the same toothbrush and a pair of black jeans.
Bro.
Oh, this shit is ridiculous.
Yo.
These are not conditions ideal for creating art. But you know what?
You know what I'm saying?
Art is art.
Comes from struggle, man.
We said every 2 weeks. So we're giving you the art every 2 weeks. And also, too much happened in the last week for us not to comment on it.
Niggas actually wrote it down this time because it's
we gotta run the show.
15 lists of fucking things.
Beyonce dropped an album.
True.
Drake
Lemonade
dropped the album.
out here. Drake out here.
Birdman and Charlemagne.
Yo, there's a lot of shit.
So, we out here just trying to smack rap and recap. Mero smoked the Blunton, so he's got the giggles. I got my Heineken on Decadent, been drinking since 7 o'clock.
Yo.
Problematic light is on in my liver.
Yo, this nigga came in and said, yo, I gotta get breakfast. And then cracked open a 22-ounce Heineken. That's how you do it.
That's how you do it. Real winners make art. And hopefully you get this within an hour of us finishing it.
True.
Because you know what? That's how you do art. When you're
Straight
professionals.
Up. Quick and dirty.
One take hove. You know what I'm saying?
Feel me? Yo, niggas did that show yesterday in one take. I feel like I forgot to mention that.
We did. We shot the Classic or Trash segment for Uncommon Sense.
One take, nigga.
One take.
No pickups. What's up? All you young niggas, man, pay attention.
Because the brand is strong.
I'm telling you. Told you niggas, man.
Best
wallet got
right
the George
now.
Costanza wallet.
Yeah.
That Ray Sherman album is dropping in June. I just want to make note of that. Because those are the homies. You know what
those
I'm
are the homies. Shout out to them. Did you even
saying?
listen to Beyonce or Drake's albums yet?
Nah, yeah. Because I'm rated for Ray Sherman. I'm going to listen to that first.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And then I'm going to go back and listen to Beyonce and Drake. Actually, no, that's not true. Beyonce I have heard through osmosis. Just from
through
Beyonce.
osmosis?
And Drake. Yo, that's the thing now. 2016 internet. You don't even gotta download an album to hear it. Like if you're on Twitter, if you're on any like social media,
right?
Niggas are posting that shit everywhere.
Okay,
everywhere.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? So I've heard like half of each album just like by.
So you haven't heard nothing.
Probably not.
And you're being disrespectful to Queen Mother Babe. She made a beautiful album. Shout out to Jay-Z for cheating on her. And making her make a beautiful album.
Exactly. Right? So see, niggas are mad at Jay-Z.
See, God is working on all of us. If Jay-Z had not gone to Becky with the good hair, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Beyonce wouldn't have made this beautiful song. Well, All Night, I love that song. Kiss Up and Rub Up and Hug Up on You.
Great song.
Great song. You know,
I've heard every song at Because by the way, shout out to Beyonce, 12 joints charting simultaneous, first time ever. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Chris Sewell, who mentioned that on yesterday's show.
True.
Oh, apologies. I've been all this time. I've been saying her name. I thought her name was Crystals
with an S at the end.
With an S at the end.
Okay.
So I've been saying that to her, and I want to apologize because just like how I mispronounce shit on this show, I mispronounce shit in real life. You know what? God's working on all of us.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? When God created me, He was like, "Would you like to pronounce shit right, or would you like good eyebrows?" And clearly, you saw what I picked.
Listen, there you go. Eyebrows are flawless.
Thank you.
Yo, my eyebrows are starting to get little spikes on top, and it's bothering me. I feel like I mentioned this before. You know what I'm saying? But then it's like they used to just be straight across. Like now they're getting like a little extra hair because when you know niggas getting washed, you get the extra hair. So I'm just like, yo,
you should do some threading. Let's go threading.
That's what I'm saying. Like, who cares? That's not like, you know what I'm saying? Niggas like, my brother's like, nigga, go plug your eyebrows. I'm like, well,
you
know what I'm saying?
We in Hollywood.
It's Hollywood, baby.
I have pimples on my face from wearing too much makeup this week. Are these real nigga problems? I don't know. I can't go to the barber shop and like be like, yo, like, you know
what I'm saying?
The highlights of the production stage. Life is weird.
You know what I'm saying? Life is tragic.
I spend daytimes doing jokes on stage. And I do nighttimes trying to avoid the gang raids in the Bronx.
That's right.
Free all my little homies.
Dog. It's just about 100 people. Everybody.
One homie was trying to get out he was not part of the gang raid. He decided he was going to hang out the window. And then wait for the cops to leave. But then he fell and died.
But that's what niggas can't watch.
You gotta hear both sides.
Okay.
He was wanted for 5 robberies.
That's what it was. So it's like, okay, so like, you're making other felonies on the table.
So
you know what I'm saying?
Maybe you dying was a good luck.
You know what I'm saying?
Sorry, we can't all, we
can't all live life. Nigga watched a Jason Bourne movie the night before. Was like, yo, I could just hang on here indefinitely. Like, nah,
listen, don't embrace the wash. Embrace the wash. There's a lot of things you think you can do. Your body's gonna be like, nah, chill, fam.
No way.
Chill, fam.
I was thinking about this shit the other night. I'm sitting in my living room, I'm mad smacked. And I saw some shit on TV about like fire alarms or whatever the fuck. And I was like, damn, what if my apartment catches on fire? You know what I'm saying? Like, what am I going to do? And outside my window, there's like an awning. You know what I'm saying? That's like maybe 7-8 feet from my window. So I'm like, yo, I could just grab the kids, boom, jump down to the awning.
Oh my God.
And like jump down to the... And I was like, yo, come on, my nigga. Like, I'm not actually going to be able to do this. You know what I'm saying? Like, I might try.
And you believed in it. I feel like, but you know what? You always hear stories about like mothers lifting cars off their kids.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So you never know when that adrenaline kicks in. But you never know when that adrenaline might not really kick in. And you try to lift that car too early. And your fucking sciatica acts up.
Yeah, just throw your back out like, You pick that shit up like 1 inch and then just your back is like, shit, damn, wow. You just drop the car. Tragedy.
Oh my God.
Asshole drops car.
Your kids are crying and your mother. Mero, I told you not to do that. Yo, shout out to the sponsor. Shout out to K2. Shout out to Darkhand. Shout out to Google Play. This
Google/adjacent.
Google/adjacent, but Google Play. We're now listed in there. Bodega Boys available on Google Play, iTunes, and Stitcher.
True. Still iPhone game all day.
You know what I'm saying? Do we get... Oh, man. Shout out to Red Bull, 220 West 18th Street. They're having their festival. We can't really fuck with it right now. So we're here in the makeshift studios. We're in the Bodega Sushi Studios.
You know what I'm saying? Is this Ethernet or is this a phone line?
That's a phone line.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, that's actual phone.
Wow.
That's a number.
Wow.
Shout out to MTV for keeping, like, past shit around and stuff.
Niggas got, you know what they got here? Niggas the fucking mail slots that you drop the mail into the shit and it goes down like it's Mad Men?
Yeah. That old shit that, like, when you would buy slaves, you write it on that and drop it down that shit.
Put a nigga's freedom papers in the fucking shoot.
Give me four Morgan Freemans. Oh my God. Problematic light is on.
It's on.
Problematic light is on.
Bling, bling.
Yeah, a lot of shit happened. Shit. Yo, shout out to Drake. He dropped Views.
True.
That's a little depressing album.
It was. It's a rainy day album.
It is. It's raining right now.
Because he dropped that album.
Because he dropped the album. And James Blake dropped the album. Wild depressing.
Okay.
He has a song called Radio Silence. And the shit is like, yo, I can't believe you don't want to see me anymore. And he's just repeating that shit over and over.
Wow.
Shit puts you in
Frank Ocean write a lot for him?
Yeah, shit is good. Frank Ocean never giving us a new album.
No, he's not.
He's not.
He's Jay Electronicing niggas right now.
He is.
All day. And niggas are love. When is that? This is the new Detox. For you young niggas that didn't have to suffer and think that Dre was going to drop Detox, this is your Detox.
The irony of us discussing people not releasing shit.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? It's not lost on me.
You'll get 40 more of these before you get a Frank Ocean album.
That's true. You know That's true. But nah, we're going to have to end the podcast soon because Trump is going to be president. There's no way they're going to let this podcast continue.
No way.
When Trump is president. He's going to have us beheaded in the middle of Herald Square.
You already know. Gestapo's going to come snatch niggas up. You know what I'm saying?
Should be tight.
Straight put us in fucking, what those just called? Stockades?
Stockades. They're going to be like, you have any last words? And be like, the brand is strong. And then they're going to guillotine us. They're going to make a movie about us, but they're going to have white people play us.
Niggas like, you have betrayed Winterfall. That was a kind of Game of Thrones reference?
They're just going to make like fucking the Bronx looks like Las Miserables. That was just mispronounced the shit out of that shit.
That's on brand for you, bro.
It's on brand. Listen, I know my brand. My brand is mispronouncing shit, and apparently I'm dating some sort of white person.
Yo,
that's the rumor too. So.
Yo, listen, you know you're doing good when there's rumors that you're dating white human beings. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It could be a dude, it could be a woman, you know what I'm saying? It could be a fucking somebody whose gender is fluid.
We're gender fluid. You know I learned a new word two nights ago.
What?
I can't wait to tell you.
What?
Heteroflexible.
What? That sounds like a fucking Brian Pumper film, my nigga. Nigga's heteroflexible. Yo. Part 8?
Starring Pinky. No, heteroflexible. Apparently, I guess
that's like
you could go either way.
Oh, so that's like you live in LA for 5 years.
Yeah.
Type shit.
But you could bat from the right side or the left side. You know what I'm saying?
Out here, you know what I'm saying?
I guess niggas is heteroflexible.
Yeah, shout out to y'all.
Shout out to y'all.
Out here.
You know what I'm saying? We're gender because we're all over the spectrum. Okay. Shout out to Mero got Zika. He's been spreading it around, but shout out to our sponsor, the Zika vaccine.
Yep.
Shout out to the Bronx. We've been Zika free. We will remain Zika free.
That's true.
Also, Bronx Week is coming up.
Bronx Week is coming up, and niggas got Zika in Dallas. Just want to let you know. Diseases, because I know we have Legionnaires, and it was like, oh, the Bronx has Legionnaires, oh, you niggas is third world.
Right.
Dallas got Zika, so pow. You know what I'm saying? And we out here. And we've been, Legionnaires is over.
Legionnaires is done.
Oh, done.
Legionnaires is done.
Legionnaires
is done like Chloe sunglasses.
You know what I'm saying?
With the hearts on them. Remember those?
Yo!
There's a girl in New Jersey right now like, what is he talking about?
Google this. Every Puerto Rican nigga with long braids had those sunglasses, fam.
Shout out to all my chicks out there wearing Coach belts and they still got the tags on them.
With the tags on?
Why?
With the matching sneakers.
Stop it. Stop it, fam. You don't need to do it. Oh, man. Yo, shout out to Washington, D.C.
Shout out to D.C.
I was just down there. You know what I'm saying? Chill mo, kill mo.
You were at Broccoli Fest?
No, I went to fucking Cups Day some shit.
Oh, shit. Lit.
Damn, I forgot the name. Shit was lit, though. It was at Stadium.
Look at Young Day Party over here, nigga.
Chilling with Yes Jules. You know what I'm saying? I was out there, my nigga. Shout out to Henny Ludquist was out there.
True.
Low Key
True.
was out there. Shout out to the dude Clarence, the Hustler.
Yo,
Stadium is wild because, like, you know, it's not a New York strip club. Like, you can show choach.
Right.
So chicks were showing choach, but people was acting up because people was there for the day party and they didn't realize, like, yo, this shit's a strip club. So they was trying to, like, Snapchat strippers and shit.
Nah, without tipping, that's not
cool.
You gotta make it rain before you can.
There's a swing in there, and like chicks was on the swing, like going mad hard for $1. So I was like, yo,
that shit is ill though when you go OT and you go to strip clubs because it's like, yo, that's your choach, man. Like. Because
in New York you don't see that shit.
Nah.
So out there I was like, that was cool.
I went to Atlantic City and Shorty shot a beer cap out of her choach. I was like, nah, this is some next shit.
No.
This is some next level shit.
Also, shout out to the Stadium ATM for having a $9 service fee.
Damn!
that I accessed 3 times. So that's how I was living out there. I left my phone processors at home because it was raining. But young Jesus was a savage.
That's how they get you, nigga. The service charge.
Now I was out. DC always shows me love. I was out in. I started my day as every DC resident does. I went to Ben's Chili Bowl.
Okay.
Got a bowl of chili.
Some mumbo sauce.
Some mumbo sauce. Now this is some go-go.
You know what I'm saying?
And I went to Taste of Jamaica.
True.
No, they actually were not open on Sunday.
No?
So
I mean, it makes sense.
That makes sense. Jamaica's there's a little bar. You know what's fucked up? Like I went to DC and it was like this little bar called 6 and H on 6 and H, duh.
Okay.
And like the girl was like, "Yo, you look like blah blah blah," and I was like, "Yeah." I did that smirk thing, and she was like, "Oh shit, it is you."
Yeah.
And then like she sat that far away, just stared at me the whole time, and I was just watching the playoffs and drinking.
Listen, guys, don't do that. Just approach and be like, "Hey, what's up?" We're very friendly guys. You know what I'm saying? Unless somehow like something else, you know what I'm saying? You can just be like, "Hey, what's up?" You know what I mean? Because I see Shorty on the bus, and she looked at me. She did like a double take. And then I was like, yeah, it's me, like on some gas shit. And she's like, oh my God, it's really you. I was like, yo, I've never been more gas in my life. And my sister had just got on the bus too. And you know what? Niggas' sisters is haters.
Niggas' sisters is haters.
You know what I'm saying?
Sisters haters.
So she was like, fuck you niggas think you popping, nigga. Fuck out of here.
Oh my God.
Oh God. Yo, R.I.P. Prince, bro. Prince, Purple Rain.
Purple Rain. Yeah,
we'll
damn.
live forever in our hearts. You know what I'm saying?
Purple Rain. He had hits.
Yeah, hits. What's your favorite Prince joint?
My favorite Prince joints is Diamonds and Pearls.
True.
I love that.
True. Erotic City is my personal favorite. It's the long version. You know
he got some hits, but you know what? I mean, listen. Desus Fuego is back.
Oh, I heard it.
You heard it.
The temperature was going up.
The temperature going up.
I heard the thermometer.
I don't want to be this guy, but most Prince fans are dickheads.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
They're dickheads. Like I've seen like Prince memorials. And like people have their arms folded, like, why are you only playing like his commercial joints? Play stuff off the Batman album. Like, relax,
play
dude.
Play his D sides. Like,
I get it. You have a Prince album you bought off of eBay in fucking 2008, and you paid $700, and it's a rare B side of him snorting into a mic. Whatever. Like, let niggas live, man.
Live, dog. We can all like Prince just because I don't know every single nigga had like 89,000 albums.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I was supposed to know all of them?
I'm sorry. You never heard his concert live from Hawaii in 1986? And you're just like, I'm like, no, what?
No, I was fucking.
It's not. And then what's funny is like Prince doesn't want his music out there. So when he was alive, like he was dead in links and shit like that. Yeah. Now he's dead. Niggas opened the vault, and all his music is just—he's about to be the new Tupac.
Oh,
there's about to be so much bad Prince out there.
Oh my God, I can't wait.
Just Prince trying to trap shit. Prince reggaeton, Prince dancehall, the shit he never wanted the world to hear.
Prince country and shit.
Fucking Prince. Ooh, let the dogs out. The dogs are out. The dogs are out.
But Prince fans always say this shit. This is what they always say. He played all his own instruments. He wrote all his own music.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
That's cool. Like, I respect that. No doubt. But, like, okay. Like, why? You know what I'm saying?
Here's another Desus Fuego hot take.
Fuck yeah. Listen, I'm holding back. I'm glad that you're letting it know. You know what I'm
saying? Another knowledge dart from Eli Litby. Beyonce is better than Prince.
Wow.
I said it.
That is a
you know why?
Nomical take.
You know why? Because Beyonce's still alive.
Bro, yo, can I tell you what this nigga said the other day? Yo, the day that Prince perished, my nigga, we was in this office, chilling, watching the whole shit unfold, and fucking, it's early in the game. We just know that somebody at Paisley Park has gone astray to the Lord, you know what I'm saying? And niggas don't know what it is. We find out it's Prince, right? We find out it might be Prince. Shorty in the office is like, yo, Desus, is there any any updates on Prince? Nigga goes, still dead. That's
right. I'm an asshole.
Yeah.
I'm an asshole, but I'm a lovable asshole.
I respect it.
I'm like Prince, Chucky before he killed.
That's true.
The Chucky doll from Child's Play.
And he's like, yeah.
That's a reference. That was like 50 years ago. I don't know.
In like internet years, I was like,
in internet years.
Yeah, in millennial years. That was a great movie. Go YouTube that shit, man. That shit's definitely on Netflix.
Yeah.
Get super high and watch it. It's a terrible movie.
Yeah.
You know.
Everything before 2000 and I want to say
eight. Say eight.
I want to
say
eight.
That's when the HD and like
real. Everything before that is terrible. Just fucking terrible. I tried to watch 21 Jump Street, the original.
No, don't do that.
My God.
Don't do that. It looks like them niggas painted it in watercolor.
Them niggas was 30?
Yeah.
And like undercover cops in high school? What the fuck?
You don't want to do that.
What's up, youngsters?
Yeah, niggas, because you know what it was? Niggas back then had 4 channels. They
didn't
have no choices. It was like, yo, take nigga here.
We were just recovering from World War II.
Take it or
leave it. You know what I mean? Shit was rough.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, I have no idea what you're talking about right now because I'm a millennial, but you know.
That's true. That's true. Just millennials chilling in the confessional, MTV, Real World 38, which is going to be held in the Bronx.
Challenge rivalry.
You're going to live in a furnished room in fucking Lower Yonkers. Enjoy that shit. And you're not going to have enough money to take the Metro North. So you got to take the 2 train and you're going to be very tired and burdened.
What would be your job? Can you not have Real World, they always give niggas jobs?
Yeah.
I'm trying to think, like, what would the job be in the Bronx? Would they all be phlebotomists?
No, they'd all have to. They'd all have to work as cashiers at Key Food, and they'd have to learn the produce code. So they have to learn like bananas is 4416, and tomatoes is 1619.
Son, why did this nigga press this lady in West Farms? who came to fucking do an interview for the show. She goes, and this nigga's like, yo, where you coming from? She's like, yo, I'm just working at the supermarket. He goes, what's the code for bananas? What's the code for bananas? She's like, what? $4.79.
Listen, Jesus keeps it real.
Yo, put Shorty on the spot.
Listen, I am on brand.
I respect that.
I'm on brand. I still pee in the street. You know what I'm saying?
You really do.
I really do. I'm still out here. Hollywood has not changed me that much.
Ask Kidavelli.
Shout out to Kidavelli. Kidavelli be going through it, man. My heart goes out to you.
You know what I'm saying?
My heart also goes out to black women, though. So, let's stay on brand. Yeah. I'm going to host Essence Fest one year.
Yeah?
I am.
You got to do it.
I got to do it. I got to do it for the culture.
That's like your next evolution.
That is my shit.
It's like Charlie Wilson, adjacent, you know what I'm saying? Like hosting shit with
sometimes I get really high.
With the
and I practice hosting Essence Fest in my bathroom mirror.
Yo, I love it.
Look at all you beautiful women out here. Look at all these beautiful shades of black women out here.
Lovely.
Look at all this natural hair. My skin is beautiful. Shout out to the sponsor, Toyota. Shout out to Armin Strong. That's a beautiful night. That's a super dope. Give it up for yourselves, though. Just give it up for yourselves. Look at all you women out here. Oh, look at you.
Yeah, we love you, Jesus.
Oh, just look at you, y'all.
Trying to throw a big ass granny panties on stage.
I catch her food.
I feel you, but I'm doing the same thing. I'm getting ready to host the Latin Grammys. I'm working on my Spanglish and shit. Like, buenas noches, everybody. Thank you for being here tonight in Orlando, Florida.
Because as Drake said, the hardest part of getting on is staying on.
Staying on, that's true.
We just gotta stay relevant.
You gotta stay relevant, my nigga.
And that's why we do emergency podcasts like this. We don't need to do this.
We don't at all.
Because our trajectory is up.
Be clear.
Let me tell you, you want to know how trapping we are? The president of Viacom came into the office yesterday and said,
Hey, you guys got a podcast, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. My son heard it. He loves it. He's a huge fan. So you guys are pretty popular, huh? Yeah, all right. Okay. Nigga sat crisscross applesauce, you know what I'm saying? And just chopped it up with the gods.
Chopped it up with the god. You know shout out to my man, Doug Herzog.
Easy. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to his son, who's a listener.
Yeah, shout out to you.
Part of the Bodega Hive.
Word.
Asking where's the art.
Make yourself known.
You know also, I'm sure you guys are going to flame us because now you're conflicted because you're going to be like, yo, it's art, but the sound quality's bad.
Yeah.
And it's like, yo.
Yeah. These niggas feeling themselves too much too, man. I don't know about
But here's the thing. If we're successful with this, if the sound quality is not that bad, maybe we do this weekly for this month.
Huh.
Because you know what? This is our birthday month.
That's true.
Shout out to Tauruses.
Shout out to Taurus gang out here.
It's our birthday month.
Astrologicals.
Not for nothing. We did we recorded shows this week. We recorded 2 shows this week. 3, 4, some shit like that. But the podcast, the art is our shit.
Yeah.
The art is, there's no censors.
Still uncut.
We can say whatever we want. Still uncut, still slanging that DAC. You know what I'm saying? I could say shit like Under Armour is preferred by child molesters. Allegedly. And there's no legal department.
You know what I'm saying?
And it's a direct contact to the Bodega Hive, the best selection of fans in the world, except when you're trying to be funny on the Instagram comments. But that's another comment for another day.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Now y'all keep doing what you do. You know what I'm saying? Keep on banging.
You know what I'm saying? Keep banging for the Hive. We got merch on deck. We got stickers on deck.
Oh man.
Mero's got murals for sale.
Yo, I got so many fucking posters over here in the office. If you want one, fucking put some bread up, nigga. What's up?
Okay. I thought you were gonna say an address or some shit, but you know what? No, apparently you want to threaten people. So
hit us up. I got a couple joints. You know what I'm saying? Holler. I got some originals. You know what I mean? You know how to contact us at Bodega Boys, at the Mero, at Desus Nice.
That's right. On Snapchat as well. We Snapchatting out here.
You know what I mean? These streets.
I stuck on my Snapchat present, but I'm gonna fall back because I just realized Snapchat is a good way to get robbed.
Oh, it's a great way to get robbed.
You're like, yo, I'm here. I'm at this location right now. Catch me, nigga.
Was it Cameron that said that he watches cribs to case people's houses?
Yes.
That's exactly what you do on Snapchat. Yeah. That's where this nigga be on Friday at 5 o'clock?
Right.
Okay.
Snapchat is good, if you want to let people know, yo, I'm in your city.
Yeah.
But then Snapchat, you get the wild dub because they reply back yo, I'm at this party. Yeah. And you're like, oh, well.
Shout out to girls who sub you via Snapchat by just being like, yo, I'm in your city, and putting the city filter yo, Bronx.
Shit is whack. It's a dirty game out there.
You know what I'm saying? Oh man.
The best bet is I gotta follow the Mero plan. I gotta just wife somebody up and have mad kids. And stay home.
Just chill.
Nope. I'm out here whoring. I'm on the Amtrak. I'm out here going to city.
Struggling with the Wi-Fi.
Struggling with the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna be in Philly soon, and I'll be back in Peckham.
Oh shit!
So apparently, my young cousin joined a gang.
Oh.
In Peckham.
Does he have a knife?
He has a knife. Which is not funny, which is actually a very big problem. Like, knives are like guns out there.
Yo, I seen the fucking footage of a dude, cop stopping a guy, going in his pockets, and they found the knife, and your man snatched the knife from the cop and stabbed the cop. Niggas ran away.
Niggas is wild
out there. I was
like,
yo, niggas is out here stabbing. I respect you more if you stab a cop than if you shoot a cop.
They have some shit where, like, they'll stop you on a street corner.
Which, by the way, I can say...
On this. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Red Bull, the sponsor. Gang. A Viacom gang out here, though. Allegedly. But no, they have some shit where they stop you and they be like, yo, how many, like, show me your socks. And if you don't have on 2 pairs of socks, like, niggas, like, fuck you up. I'm like, what? I was like, what? Do I have to come over there and teach y'all niggas how to bang?
What?
What kind of shit is this?
This is the lamest gang shit ever.
I'm like, wait, you wear 2 socks to represent your gang?
No.
Come on.
Stop.
South London, what's going on? Yo, don't make big homie Jesus come through to Peckham.
You gotta go over there.
You know what we need?
You gotta go over there with a suitcase full of bandanas and beads.
Right.
And teach niggas how to do shit right.
Teach niggas how to bang, nigga.
Come on.
You see me, yo, shout out to me. I've low-key had these black beads on every episode of DVM,
true.
Every episode of Uncommon Sense. You know what I'm saying? I rep my shit, my nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, we need a sponsor to fly us out to England. And we're going to teach people how to rep their set. Rep their set.
Oh,
we're going to increase the crime rate.
Oh, boy.
Take that Bronx shit.
Oof.
We're going to get Amanda from Bronx 12. She's going to record it.
Niggas gonna have a fucking Dominican gang in Peckham. It's going to be very...
Shit's going to be lit.
Can't wait.
Can't wait. Because Peckham is getting gentrified. Peckham, England.
No. Like we're going to do that. We're going to fix that.
We're going to fix that? Yeah. Like, niggas don't even got security gates on their stores no more.
Like, we're about to bring Bloods out there. We're going to increase.
So wait for that. The Grime Boys is coming out there.
Man.
We're going to have a council house.
Shout out to Grime.
Skepta just dropped a new album last night.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like, he's out here.
What does this shit sound like?
It sounds good. It has Pharrell on it. But, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's... Right now, people are like, yo, he's a new Dizzy Rascal. Lady Sovereign.
Oh,
do you remember? Do you people know these names?
Them niggas had very short runs.
Tim Timber.
Oh.
Do you people know these people?
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
I've read about all these people in Vice, but I never listened to them.
Right. But hey, the new Skepta goes hard, mate. I rate it.
Okay.
In it. It's a good track.
Yeah.
So when I touch down upon London town,
you gonna be bumping that shit?
I'm gonna be bumping that shit.
You gotta be a real asshole about it. You gotta get in the plane, like make sure you're in first class. Get in the fucking play the music in the background.
Yeah, I don't have enough money.
Go to London, filter.
I don't have enough money to fly first class to London. Like that. That's a dream.
That's like because a flight to London is like a G.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So first class got to be like $3,000, $3,500.
More, depending on how you going. Like if you're going like Virgin Atlantic or some shit, forget that. But the seats fully reclined. Some shit's got showers. You know what I'm saying? You wildin'.
Yeah. I seen the shit with the what's the shit that goes to like Dubai and shit? Is it Emirates or some shit?
Yeah.
Niggas got a bar, a fucking entertainment center.
To be fair, Virgin Atlantic has a bar. Also, it's unlimited drinks, so you can get fucked up.
Wow.
So I'll be on that plane like leaning out, and like the people go on there like.
How long is that flight? I've never been.
You never been? I gotta take you out to England. Shout out to all my fam out in England, out in Peckham, out in Birmingham, out in Wales, out in Didcot. Not Wales, Leeds. Excuse me.
Shut the Wales.
No. It's like 6 to 7 hours depending if you catch a crosswind. So I used to fly out there all the time. So you know what I'm saying? Like
Europe. You know what I'm saying? Get us some
out in Europe. You go out there and then you be mad drunk when you come off the plane. You gotta go through border control.
Niggas gotta go out there.
Shorty tried to shade me last time I came to England. She was like, "What's your job?" I was like, "I'm on TV, bitch."
What's your job?
But then she just had like the stone face, and she was like, she was like, "Name a show." And I was like, I can name several shows. I was like, I've been on Anthony Bourdain, I've been on Common Sense, I've been on Joking Off, Desus vs. Mero, Geico, blah, blah. She's like, I've never heard of any of those. I'm like, well, I was like, so because you're washed, now I can't get into this country?
Yo, that reminds me of
She made me Google and prove to her that
that's the worst.
That's my shit.
That's the worst.
And then the crazy shit was, she had on the Muslim head wrap. So I was like, what is this? Curb Your Enthusiasm?
Yeah,
I'm like,
come on.
I was like, Ma, you going a little hard on me, but. Nah, shout out to all my Muslims, as Charlamagne would say.
Shout out to the hijab gang.
No, every time I go to England, like they give me a hard time at the border control. Because I don't respect authority. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, like... Yo,
like, come on. Like,
if I was going to play for 10
hours... I'm too
hours,
pretty to be an ISIS, ma.
Yeah, that's true.
Come on, man. I got too many Jordans.
Yeah. I feel like if you exercise, you got to be at least somewhat dusty.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Because you out here, like, wearing black...
I feel like people on ISIS, they have, like, a lot of skin marks in their boxers. That kind of shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, they don't wash their hands when they leave the bathroom.
Niggas always, like, on edge.
You know,
niggas is raiding us. Oh, shit, yo, get down. My underwear's in my
Like,
ass.
you never know when you're going to call for a suicide bombing.
True.
So what's even the point of getting a haircut?
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
And shit.
I own mad sneakers. How tight would I be if, like, ISIS was like, yo, blow yourself up? And I'm like, yo,
chill, nigga.
you chill? These? Like, the fucking flu game 12s come out in 3 weeks.
What if they've been trying to... What if you show up and you think it's just, like, some regular training shit, so you come through with, like, your most fire pair of kicks?
Right.
And they're like, yo, today's the day, my nigga, you doing a suicide mission.
Whoa, wait.
You gotta blow yourself up with those.
Chill. See, I don't even...
Steph Curry, 82 of those.
They were like, yo, first suicide bomber that was shoeless. I just got mad tears. I'm like, I'm doing it for you. Looking at my sneakers that far away. Nah, I got too... I actually have... Now, you put it in perspective. I have too much to live for. I can't be, like, suicide bombing myself.
Yeah, no. It's too much.
I even know that James Blake album put me in feelings, but, you know.
Listen, because once you're dead, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, you're done. You know what I'm saying? Who knows whatever is on the other side, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to get all ancient aliens on you niggas, but...
All right.
I'm good right now. This is pretty cool right now, what I'm doing right now. I smoke a lot of weed. I'm on MTV. Like, shit is pretty chill.
We're in a good place right now.
Yeah.
We're in a good place.
I'm good.
Shout out to Mero. Mero's lost a lot of weight.
You know what I'm saying?
Getting sexy for these hoes.
That's right. You know
but he's faithful to who? The sponsor, Heather's Choach.
That's right. All day. Holla.
All day. I'm talking about my Choach.
Before you just busted the wall like Kool-Aid and shit.
Like with all three of your kids strapped to her. Just come through like, I told you.
Yo, the niggas have no idea that, like, because you know what's funny, like, dudes, a lot of dudes who have, like a wife that stays at home.
Right.
It's like, yo, it seems, sometimes I get tight, like, yo, bitch, you just home with kids all day, that's what you do, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't sweat me when I'm just trying to smoke weed and watch basketball. But then I'm like, yo, that shit is mad hard, bro. Because I'll be with them for, like, 2 hours, and I'll be like, yo, this shit is fucking...
So you're saying shout out to her?
Yeah, shout out to you. You know what I'm saying? For
Mother's Day.
Yeah, that's right, because Mother's Day is coming.
I
knew it was something. I was like, I don't just appreciate this bitch for no reason. I was like, something's going on.
I don't just appreciate this bitch for no reason.
Nah, shout out to you.
Shout out to my mother. Shout out to my sister. She has a kid. Shout out to, shout out to all the mothers out there.
Being a mom's hard work.
Being a mom is a hard work.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you know what? Because now that I stop and think about it, like, my mother had, like, 4 kids. And my pops was really, like, fucking, like, helping out, like, and shit like that.
4
like,
kids?
how?
Damn.
And her whole shit was like, yo, all 4 of my kids are going to college. That was her whole shit.
Oh, yeah, same.
And she did it.
That's like, yo, I feel like immigrant moms are like, yo, if you go to college, like, you, like...
Yeah.
Like, you'll be okay.
But my mother didn't send us to college because she was like, I want you to have a better life. She was like, I want you to go to college so I can rub this shit in other people's faces.
Exactly.
She was like,
yo.
That's
exactly. My mom used to lie.
Oh, your son went to jail? I'm sorry, I have to go to my son's graduation.
My mom is the same.
Sorry, you're a failure.
Yo, it's so funny because my mom is the same, but it's very passive aggressive. Like, she would say, like, yo, I want y'all, like, you need to get a good job and blah. But it's really so that when niggas have those family reunions and Julio is fucking on parole.
And he comes through with the 2 cops and the shackles. And he's shuffling to the potato salad with the fucking U.S. Marshals side by side.
You know what I'm saying? Meanwhile, I'm over here like, yeah, liberal arts, yeah.
Nothing sadder than having to shake your cousin's hand and there's the handcuffs. And you gotta do that little low thing like,
it was the finger wave.
Y'all seen you on Uncommon Sense.
Hey, yo, you doing good, bro?
Stay up, man. Nah, I'm on appeal now.
Oh, okay.
Yo, I'm trying to get my sentence reduced to 23 years.
Oh, damn, okay. That's a conversation you want to get right the fuck out of.
Like, yo, stay up, man.
Yeah, no doubt.
I'll fight these charges. I was just saying, like, they found her skull.
Hey, come here. That's when it's good to have kids, because you can just be like, oh, shit, my kids, y'all see it.
I'm saying, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you think I could borrow some money for a criminal return?
Hold on. No, don't touch that.
I'm saying, like, they ain't found her teeth. So I'm thinking. Yo. Oh, man.
Shout out to all these jail cousins.
Shout out to all these jail cousins. Send your jail cousins some thermals because it's still cold.
It's still cold in jail, nigga.
It's like, yo.
It's cold until... Jail is like the desert, nigga, because it's very hot during the day and freezing
at night. There you go. Also, you get your dick sucked. Allegedly.
You get dick sucked in the desert, nigga?
baby.
You know, I was like, what?
Cut a hole in the cactus and get it popping. You know that episode of Survivor Man?
Get that agave choach.
Oh,
you know
shit. Get that fucking...
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Why?
What would you do if you went to the desert you see a nigga smash with a cactus? Like, how are you doing that?
You know what? I don't...
Loki, you gotta have a long dick to smash a cactus, my nigga, because those spines, them shit stick out. You know
Unless you're into that kind of thing. I was watching a porn the other night, as is my custom.
Okay.
There was a guy, he was like fucking some chick in the park, and guys were like walking towards him, because they were like exhibitionists, I guess.
Right.
And like guys were walking by and watching, and like one guy just pulled out his dick and started jerking off.
What?
And because he did that, like the other guy started doing it.
It's like dominoes.
So you just need that first guy to pull out his dick and start jerking off.
Yo, low-key.
It's cool.
Son, this is so crazy, but like, in high school, you know how niggas have the hooky parties in high school? Mm-hmm. And it would be like a bunch of dudes, a bunch of girls, whatever, and you always had to have shorty there that didn't give a fuck.
Right.
And would just start smashing. And it's like the dude and the one girl who would just start smashing and everybody else start smashing.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? But if they didn't set it off, you would just sit there all day just drinking fucking Paul Masson.
Right.
And they're like not doing nothing.
Not doing, just waiting. But as soon as she wanted to get it popping. Oh, man. I remember I went to a hooky party once. And my man was like, yo, I got these 2 chicks coming through. She's going to be lit. There was like 4 of us. And I was like, oh, shit. She's going to be crazy. And they was like, yo, I'm down with it. And I was like, all right, well, fuck it. Let's go. And so we go there. And then my man comes through. He's like, yo, meet these 2 kids. And it's this chick. And the other chick is my cousin. So as I grab her hand, like, yo, are we leaving? And he's looking like, yo, what are you doing? I was like, yo, the other chick is there. I don't know if she's going down with it now, but I got to get her out of here. No. And she's like, get off of me. I'm ready. I'm like, no, we're going home. Because I ain't smashing, so I'm not doing this for your safety. Now I'm just mad. Like, we're too close.
Yo, I already paid for this 2-hour stay at the Capri.
You can smash, like, your third cousin.
Yeah, second cousin.
You know.
That's the Caribbean way, my nigga. Third cousin or more removed.
If you have a fire first cousin, though.
I mean, don't try to trap me.
I'm not trying to trap you. I'm hypothetically saying. This is a Jesus Fuego hot take. Yeah. If y'all are both adults, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
And, you know, you're not trying to have kids.
Is this a Kevin Gates situation where, like, I have no idea that this is my cousin? Or is Kevin Gates knew that it was his cousin and he smashed? Or... I don't remember what his situation was.
I don't know.
But like, if I have no idea it's my cousin, then I find out.
No, like, say you're at some funeral and you grew up with this chick and she's like, wow. Now she's seeing you on MTV and she's just like, yo, I want some of that. Nah,
but see, then if we grew up together, then it's like I feel like you're my sister. Because I got cousins that are mad cute, but I feel like they're my sister. So I'm like, I could never fuck you, yo. Like I couldn't even, my dick wouldn't even respond. You know what I'm saying?
Look at Mero lying as you fucking liar. You eat your cousin's butt at a funeral. She's bent over the casket.
And the mausoleum and shit like,
Mero, this is inappropriate. I'm sorry, I can't help myself. She's fire.
Yo,
oh shit!
Shout out to the Dominican girls, man. Y'all look very cute. You know what I'm saying? But I'm
no, the other not too long ago, a couple episodes ago, you said Dominican girls have Fred Flintstone feet.
They did, but they pull it off.
People were very upset in my mentions and not yours.
Okay, so I mean, because I see that's what Dominican girls do. They complain to other people. They don't complain directly to us. You know what I'm saying?
That's fair.
You know what I'm saying?
That's fair.
But yo, it's like it's like I said about like a girl having like a lazy eye or some shit. Like it's cute. You know what I'm saying? If you're cute and you got like a weird thing that like kind of it's like a booster. It's like +5 cute points. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So if you got the Fred Flintstone feet, but you got your toes done. And you're cute, or if you're cute, you got a little faint mustache.
Little faint?
You know what I'm saying? A little faint.
I can fuck with a little faint mustache.
The light gotta hit it in a certain way.
I can fuck with a faint mustache.
You know what I'm saying?
Or like a lazy eye that only comes out when you get drunk.
Exactly.
That's hot.
You know what I'm saying? That's very hot.
A little anemia, like you can't get out your chair too fast because you'll pass out.
Yo, not for nothing. I knew this girl from Kingsbridge. Shout out to this girl, Florida, who got shot in the eye with a BB gun when she was young.
Right.
So she had one of those like floaty eyes.
Yeah.
Because they like it didn't fuck up her eye completely, but like it just fucked up to the point where it was just kind of like all over.
All over the place.
But she was bad, my nigga. And then like I bumped into her like 10 years later, and I was like, yo, you're bad, and you got a weird eye, but that shit makes you even more hot. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to her. You know what I'm saying? She's out here. She's probably got like 7 kids by now.
Damn.
You know what I mean?
I like a chick with sleep apnea. You know what I'm saying? So I had that mask on that night.
Yeah, that's hot.
That night you could fuck with her, like crinkle the hose, and she's like, and you wake up like, oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you alright, boo? Okay. She's like, oh, it's okay. You're like, oh, I got you. Yeah. So I fuck with her.
I'll be with that one.
Yo, put some salt in your booze. Put a little bleach in your booze soup. So they're relying on you, a little Munchausen by proxy syndrome. Because you know the problem is, people don't actually love you anymore. You have to force people to love you.
Really?
So injure them.
Okay, I can see how you can say that.
You have kids.
Yeah.
You have kids and a wife.
Right.
So you have something mutual. So it's just like your wife also loves you because it's like, yo, he helps me out with these kids.
Yeah.
But as a single guy, it's like, you can't trust people out now.
That's true.
Because I don't know if people are just like I meet people and I don't know if they're like, yo, that's Desus, or they're just like, yo, that's some guy.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. And then I'd be like, yo, do you know, like, I met people and they like, I don't know about the podcast. And then later on they're like, no, I've known about the podcast and known about all that stuff and all that shit. And this is like, I don't know these people. You don't know their intentions. You know if they really like you. If they're just playing fucking head games with you. Now shit is not fun.
That's what niggas are now.
That's what niggas are.
Yeah, that's what niggas are right
shit is not fun.
You know what I'm saying?
So what I like to do, I like to poison women.
Okay.
Not Cosby. Not like that.
Yeah.
But no, like, you know, I will raise your sodium rate till you pass out. And you'll wake up and you're just like, oh, my clothes are still on and shit. But now I feel faint. Can you take me to the hospital? And like, they're like, someone has to give you pills every day. And I will help you, nurse you back to health. There you go. And then from that, then we build love.
True.
And then we have a
pure
love.
Yo, I felt passed out. He didn't take advantage of me, and then he nursed me back to health.
Exactly.
I love him
because the only love I know is the love I've given my dog. So I need to recreate that with a human.
Like, yo, I depend on you to survive.
Right. It's like in Misery.
It's kind of like that when you have kids, though. My kids definitely depend on me to survive.
That's what you need. You know Remember in Misery when she broke his feet?
Okay.
Everyone is like, yo, that's fucked up.
Right.
But
I mean, it makes sense.
Is it? How is that any different than like Beyonce at the end of Lemonade being like, I choose to stay with Jay-Z?
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
I see the
It's
parallels.
a choice. It's a choice. Okay? You choose to stay with people.
Yeah.
And sometimes you have to cripple people's immune systems in order to keep them in your life.
Listen,
you know what I'm saying?
sometimes you gotta get niggas with HIV positivity.
Okay, I didn't say all that. I didn't say all that.
Yo,
you,
I haven't heard about that in a while, though. I feel like back in the day, niggas were doing that a lot. Like,
well, getting girls HIV positive?
Yeah, it's like stabbing people with needles.
I actually knew when I worked in the clubs, I knew a stripper that happened to.
She got stabbed with a needle, or dude gave her AIDS on purpose?
Dude gave her HIV on purpose to keep her. And she was like crying.
Wow.
She was crying to me.
Wow.
Because she had no one in her life. And I was like holding her and I was like, please don't cry with me.
But this is so awkward.
That was like my life. Like, that's a good portion of my life is women telling me women telling me their problems, and that it has nothing to do with me.
At all.
Not even and they're not asking for advice or anything. They just want to dump their problems on me. Right. Because I listen. I'm a listener. Listen. The best Desus is Desus that's not in a relationship with you, if you're a woman.
Right. Oh, okay.
Just putting that out there.
I feel like there's an Usher song about that.
There is, probably. Yeah. Shout out to Usher. Doesn't he showing his dick on Snapchat?
Yo, he's really out here showing his dills.
See? That proves he's Haitian. Haitian people do shit like that.
Yo,
Haitian people want to like, shout out to my nigga Renard. They want to exacerbate the situation very quickly.
Yo, it's so crazy because it's like, yo, my man, like, you see a Snapchat before you send it. Like, it doesn't just, you don't just do it and it goes. It goes off into the wild. You know what I mean? He had to approve that one.
No, he had a text. He had a text and emojis.
You know what I'm saying? And then he had to go through a 2-step process to send it. So, through the process of him being like, okay, cool, this is a good one. And then he had to go and hit my story and then hit something else. So I'm like, yo, fam, you really 3 steps, my nigga. And you're like, I'm good. I'm doing this.
To be fair, I almost put a picture of my dick on Snapchat not even 3 days ago. Which I've talked about before is my biggest fear. But I was checking Snapchat. I was using a urinal. Okay. You know what I'm saying? So you're above like this. I have my phone right there. Right. And I was like, swipe, whatever. Yeah. And next thing I know, I took a picture of my dick. Oh. And I was I didn't realize what I did. And I was about to just send it out there. Add it to my story. Wow. That would have been
my dick story.
Wow, my God. There would have been so many screenshots. Nah. Hit me up, though, if you want a picture of my dick. Hit me up at 1-800-223-9797. Call Ebro and be like, Ebro, send me a picture of Desus' dick.
You know what I'm saying, nigga? I'm fucking put the dog filter on
it. Damn, we should have, like, right now would be like that sound effect or some sort of drop. But since we're doing a one-take whole shit.
Right.
Can we talk about how the Yankees are trash?
The Yankees are trash, but they're trash in April, May.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like, the Mets are great now, and it's going to reverse roles. I mean, that's what happens every year. Come on, I'm not even worried about it.
Not worried?
Even if it's like last year and it's like a 1-game playoff or whatever the fuck happened last year, Wait, did we make the playoffs last year? No, right?
Nope.
We didn't.
Nope.
But there was at the end of the season that 1 game playoff. Was that the season before?
No, it was last season.
Okay.
1 game playoff.
We
lost.
So then when niggas lost, but still, it's like this. The end of the season matters. As long as the end of the season matters, I'm good. But niggas win championships like every 3 years.
Yeah.
The Yankees.
It's a Mero talking shit.
You know what I'm saying? Like it's like
talk your shit, young man.
You know what I'm saying? BX all day, holla at your boy. The Yankees are inevitably gonna win again. So it's like you don't even gotta worry about it. It's not like the Knicks. Like I actually at night have like that Dwayne Wade Gatorade commercial where I wake up like, and it's not like yo my kids are in trouble or like my wife is leaving me. It's like are the Knicks gonna win a championship in my lifetime? You know what I'm saying? And I really worry about that because I'm like, it might not happen. Niggas might die and never see a Knicks championship, which is mad sad.
I figure that's gonna happen. I don't ever expect to see a Knicks championship.
That's so sad.
I've come to terms with this.
But then with the Yankees, it's like the total opposite. Like, oh, they'll win in like a year or two.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Here's the thing. Last time the Yankees won was 2009.
Yeah. That was like yesterday.
Like if you're a Pirates fan,
yeah,
or a Cubs fan,
yeah,
come on,
yeah,
perspective, my niggas,
yeah, for real,
perspective. For real. We've been blessed.
Like nobody else really could say, yo, my team is, you know what I'm saying, is relevant no matter what. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
You know what I mean? Because I don't really, shout out to the St. Louis Cardinals. They win a lot, but like, who gives a fuck about the Cardinals?
No one gives a fuck about them.
You know what I'm saying? No one cares.
No one cares.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to all the Cardinal fans that invade my favorite bar, Foley's on 33rd Street.
Fuck out of here.
I actually was there when they won the World Series, and I made a mistake of wearing a red shirt. So like, mad chicks with strong shoulders were showing me love.
Wow.
A lot of dubs out in St. Louis.
Yeah.
Or a lot of dub transplants, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. I have terrible taste. Well, I don't have terrible taste. I'm very picky.
That's true.
So if I show interest in you, feel blessed.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all. Who? What?
Mercy 44F.
Well, yeah. You know what I'm saying? I have very particular taste in women, but if I'm into you, I'm into you. You know what I'm saying? I watch you sleep. As you're sleeping, I hover over you 3 inches, and I breathe in your carbon dioxide.
Breathe in your feet. Did you ever think like, because I remember being mad high one time and laying there with Heather and being like, if I breathe in, like I'm laying there like face to face with her, right?
Right.
And I'm like, if I breathe in every
her
time
carbon
she breathes
dioxide,
out,
you're gonna die? No, you won't.
No, right?
There's still enough oxygen in our carbon dioxide to keep you alive. But what you should do, you should try to match your heartbeat to her heartbeat.
Yeah, that's weird.
That's for everything.
That's creepy.
Is that creepy?
Yeah, I mean, I tried that.
Do you ever lay next to Heather and you whisper in her ear to inject yourself into her dreams?
I do that because she snores sometimes.
Right.
But sometimes because she gets congested and she'll fall asleep with her mouth open.
Right.
So she'll be like, and like if I wake up, I'll like put my finger in her nose or like my mouth or smack a little bit.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? But she sleeps through everything. So I'm like,
wow.
Because she'll front and be like, yo, because this is how I look. So this is how I am able, because when you're married, life is a constant game of like, nah, like, gotcha. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like, me. You know
right.
what I'm saying? I got this. So like, she'll swear up and down that she always hears the baby crying in the middle of the night.
Right.
And she'll go to sleep at like 9:30, 10 o'clock. I'm up till like 2, 3 in the morning. So like, if the baby wakes up, I'll go get him 2, 3 times. She won't even wake up. The next day, she'll be like, I woke up with the baby like 3 times. I was like, word? It would have been 6 times. She's like, no way, blah, blah, blah. So then, when I'm in bed with her, I'll just do all this stupid shit and be like, yo, I smacked you in your face. I put my thumb in your nose. I poured water on your face. You didn't even wake up. You know what I'm saying? I'll fucking take a video and show her the next day. You know
gotcha, bitch.
Gotcha. You know what I'm saying?
Take that.
Bong. That's why I like to play the bong game. Where it's
the bong
like,
game?
Yeah, because it's like, I said something that you were wrong about, and I was 100% right. You thought I was wrong. You know what I'm saying? This was very contentious. I'm right. Bong, nigga.
Got him. Take that.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I don't know anything about marriage life.
Yeah, it's good.
Fuck that. I have a dog.
It's good. It's like keeping a tally. It's very good.
Seems fun.
Yeah.
Seems fun.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know about that. I'd be spending my weekends in other cities and strip clubs. Hey, you know, we're just living our truths down here. Yeah, out here smacking and decking. But that's true. That's a little knowledge dart.
You know what I'm saying?
That's good to know.
Yeah.
Damn.
For when you actually.
How often does your baby cry?
Not a lot.
Not a lot. You got a good baby, right?
Yeah.
I love how I'm not using the baby's name. I'm just using baby. As if it's like a sim.
Shout out to baby sim.
Shout out to Sim Mero.
Shout out to
Lil Amari.
Lil Amari, who's not spelled with apostrophe E, by the way.
Right. Not Amari like that bum that used to play for the Knicks.
Yo, who by the way is on the Heat bench, my nigga, looking like the wild hostage. Like I'm watching these games and they cut to the bench and he's just sitting there looking mad like, with the no shape up to be seen in sight. You know what I'm saying? Like, just looking hurt, man. You gotta do better, fam. You could have been something.
Fuck him and his bad knees.
You know what I'm saying? Your fucking clitoral hood knees.
I hope he listens to the old podcast and challenges.
We used to flame him.
We used to flame a lot of people. Yeah. Somebody was like, y'all niggas is Hollywood now. You're not talking about celebrities. No shit.
Come on.
Like, do you understand? Like, I could talk shit about Chance the Rapper right now. And Chance the Rapper walks through this door right here.
He's like, nobody speak. This is my turn. Desus, I heard you speak about me. Nobody speak.
No, it's different because you meet celebrities and you're like, damn, this is a regular fucking person.
Yeah.
And it's just like...
But nigga, you know what I always think? I'll meet a celebrity person, I'll be like, this nigga's 5'3".
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah.
I could pick this nigga up.
Right.
But when we saw Kanye, I was like, I could pick this nigga up and throw him.
It's like, nothing was worse. Like, we're backstage with some celebrities and one was talking about, their mortgage. Somebody else was talking about tax problems. I'm like, y'all are some regular ass niggas. What is this shit? This shit's not popping at all.
The niggas regular. Niggas talking about leasing cars.
I'm like, what?
Like, what?
This is disgusting.
I got a great deal on it, man.
Yeah, I'm hoping to get picked up for this show. I'm like, come on, man. What? You got like 50 million followers on Twitter.
Come on.
You worried about tax rates and water bills. Nobody listening, you see? So like they say, never see how the sausage is made. Are there still sausage factories?
Yeah.
Can you still say that?
Yeah. Because, sausage, you do not want to say how sausage is made.
Yeah, because what shit is made? Yeah.
No.
How sausage is made. That sounds like another porn. How sausage is made.
Hey, Brian Pumper. Who did Brian Pumper have beef? He had beef with like a female. I know you used to work in the adult industry.
I did.
You know what I'm saying?
Miss that shit.
He had beef with like.
Well, I love. My favorite thing was when I was working in the adult industry. Like we'd have to make banner ads and shit. So they just send me like images, and it'd be like, "Yo, here's for the straight, here's for the gay, here's for the trans." And I had like my two boys got kicked out their house, and they were like living with me for like a week.
Niggas on your computer like, yo, my nigga.
So they're behind me, and I'm just like making this banner ad and shit, like this guy with like this big ass dick, and animating this shit. Like, hey guys, they're like, yo, what are you doing? I'm like, y'all niggas is homeless. So let me make my gay banner ad, all right? And you guys go back to what y'all doing. Don't worry about how the rent is paid here, nigga.
Yeah, my God.
Also, does this cock look live? Does the cock vein look lifelike?
Does it look vain? You know? Yeah. You're so vain.
Oh.
You probably think this cock is a bad.
Look at that. That's not even a millennial reference. That is an old ass song. But shoot it up. You pull it up from 40.
You know what I'm saying? Out here.
So, Mero's out here. Mero's old.
You know what I'm saying?
What do you want for your birthday? Put it out here.
Weed. Yo, you know what I actually want?
What?
A fucking
massage chair.
Massage chair would be lit.
Right.
But that shit, the one at Wild 'N Out fucked up my back.
Really?
That was a little Hollywood anecdote for niggas.
Wow.
They had the massage chairs in the green room at Wild 'N Out, and we sat in them shits for hours, dog.
Right.
Niggas was smoking that Cali weed.
That's true.
And then the call time was like 4 hours later, so niggas was just out there chilling, fucking smoking weed in massage chairs. But that shit felt, nigga, after a while, like, after getting it, getting massage, and then getting out of the chair, the next day you just feel like a giant bruise.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So, shout out to massage chair. So I just want weed in any format. A cool format of weed, like edibles, you know what I'm saying? Maybe something to smoke weed out of.
Right.
That's really like, I grew up like with people hustling or hustling myself, and I feel weird paying for weed. You know what I'm saying? Like
fair.
I'm not gonna front. I've paid for weed. You know what I'm saying? But like, it's always been like, yo, I'm throwing 5 with like 3 other dudes. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's never like, yo, I'm dropping a dub on weed. Now I'm like more adult about my shit, and I'm like, yo, I'm getting like an ounce. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. That's how adults do it. You know
right.
Because we can't be out here in the streets. I'm trying to, actually, I got you to convert to from the straight reckless street copping of weed.
You know what? That's true.
This nigga's on TV. Time out. This nigga's on TV. And this nigga's out here copping weed on fucking White Plains Road, nigga, under the 2 train from a dude in a car. I'm like, nigga, no, you can't do this shit. You gotta stop.
My God, you're right.
I was like, I stopped doing that shit when I got a city job, nigga. Like, I was like, you on TV now,
that's fair.
Nigga see you coming. Yo, is that Desus copping a tray bag? Imagine niggas on Snapchat. You over there with a dirty wife beater, nigga, copping a tray bag. Niggas catch
Yo, stop.
Just straight body you.
I'm trying to get my life together. God's working on all of us. God is working on all of us.
Come on.
All right? No, I knew I was in trouble because my dealer pulled up. He was like, yo, D, you on TV? And I was like, yeah. He was like, he just gave me the weed. No, yes, no, yo, no positive, no negative, and drove off.
You don't know what that
so I don't know if he's going to kill me or what.
Oh.
So, no, I buy my shit in bulk now. I get the shit delivered.
You know what I'm saying? That's all you got to do.
You got me out here. That's why I got a little nervous about the Bronx gang raid. Because I was like, damn, what these little niggas got my fucking name.
His phone.
Niggas probably Desus old head.
Oh, God.
In their phone, and when they're probably gonna give me up.
I'm just thinking of like all the kids I got pictures with, like all these little dirtbags in the hood, like yo Mero, yo nigga,
yo throw it up, yo, we out here.
Yo, you just over here throwing up gang signs and shit, like yo.
I know the New York Post gonna have some sort of wild fucking humorous pun, fucking cover.
Jesus, nice. Oh Jesus, nice. Yo, it's fucking crazy.
No more bodegas for this boy. That kind of shit. I don't want that. I don't want my mama to see this.
No.
They put the crying Georgia face on me on the perk walk.
Nigga, oh my God.
I want to live a good life. I don't want my kids to see that.
You got the same Jay-Z Rockaway jacket?
Oh, man. Shout out to Hov.
Shout out to Hov. Out here. Who
Here's my question.
Is gonna drop
back to the Lemonade saga.
Yeah.
When was Hov finding time to be away from Beyonce to cheat? Yo, aren't they like old? I mean, she's always touring and shit, I guess. Right. There's plenty of time, but...
Right. This is my thing. Like, my wife is pretty cool.
Right.
Like her, you know what I'm saying? I probably wouldn't fuck any other bitches. But, like, my whole shit is, like, especially... Yo, them niggas be at, like, Cannes and shit.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm on East Tremont at Fine Fair with my wife. You know what I'm saying? Like, this nigga's at the fucking Cannes Film Festival, Aspen skiing, niggas on the Appalachian Mountains, doing all this mad cool shit. Like... And you're fucking Beyonce, nigga.
Right.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
but here's the thing.
As
everyone says,
that's true. No,
with every beautiful woman is either some guy tired of fucking her, tired of responding to her texts, tired of calling her, tired of taking her out, tired of be seen with her.
Yeah.
And Beyonce's beautiful.
Yeah.
But Hov is up there, so you can imagine at some point, like, Beyonce becomes annoying.
Yeah.
At some point, Hov is like, yo, like,
it's a thing.
Beyonce's running in the room like, Jay, I finally found out. I almost caught the man that's turning off the light when you close the door in the refrigerator. That kind of shit, you know what I mean?
I got him,
babe. Jay, let's go meet the Popeyes lady. You know what I'm saying? And Jay's like, oh, shit.
Damn.
He's like,
damn. Oh, babe, he's so stupid. He's such an idiot. Yo, listen, I wouldn't, I don't know, man.
But then it's just like, if you're Jay, you have to cheat down if you're Jay-Z. Who else are you going to cheat with?
Come on.
Who else are you going to cheat with?
That's true.
Imagine if Jay-Z...
Does he think, like, does he think, like, I don't...
Also, for the record, that didn't really, like, Jay-Z has not really cheated on Beyonce. Like,
no, that really happened.
We're acting in the hypothetical, the baller report world, where people, this actually happened.
No, but, like, does he feel like... Because, we're talking about this because we're fucking... I'm Mero, you're Desus.
Right.
He's Jay-Z. Does he feel like, nigga, I'm Jay-Z. Like, okay, that's Beyonce, but I'm fucking Jay-Z.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? Like...
Exactly.
Like
listen, don't get twisted. He did invent Tidal. And do-rags. No, like, it's just like this. You have to find someone who's, like, they're similar to your level.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Like, you've been with Heather. Y'all on the same level.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I can't be dating some whack chick that's just like,
I feel like
that.
The scales haven't even tipped all the way in my favor yet.
Right.
Because when I started fuck with Heather, I was a fucking exponential piece of shit.
Right.
I'm like, terrible human being. And now I'm like, the tables are turning, niggas making a little money. I'm still not in the black. You know what I'm saying? So
I've had at least 2 chicks, like, fucking, like, really just, like, high-key front on me at the fact that they own 2 private jets. Okay? That's where my life is at. You know what I'm saying? I got chicks like, yo, meet me at the Teterboro airport. I'll send my chopper out to you. So then I got other chicks coming at me like, yo,
that's not a rumor.
Why don't you, come take a train to see me in Brooklyn? I'm like, yo, like, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Shorty almost helicopter Uber to you. You can't never take
you know
a
2 train.
Saying?
Like, come on, man. Don't talk to me like
I'm
Desus from 3 years ago. He's dead.
Take a 2 train to Franklin Ave.
Come on.
You know what I'm saying? I don't even know.
Weekend shuttle bus service? Come on. Nobody doing all that.
No.
Act up.
No, the fuck no.
Act up, get smacked up.
Shuttle bus service is like, man, if Shorty comes to see you via shuttle bus service, you're
that's serious.
Flames.
But then you gotta be like, why?
That's true.
Why? Because no bad bitch is coming to see you via shuttle bus service.
That's what gives me confidence in my dick. Because I've had that happen to me a couple times. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just like, all right, cool. So I must have the wildfire pipe.
But at this point, it's like, why does she have money for Uber? Why is she taking the
now
train?
At this point in the game, yeah. As a grown woman, you know what I'm saying?
Change your game up.
You know what I'm saying?
You got money for dog filters. You got money for Uber, ma.
The dog filter's pretty stupid. That nigga's so stupid. Always talking about misogyny and shit.
Misogyny sound good.
Yeah,
that's our new band. That's my old black woman band. It's called Misogyny.
Misogynoir.
Okay? I just stand there with tape on my mouth. And I don't say anything. Nothing. I just let the black women speak.
Yeah.
We're performing at Essence Fest.
You know what I mean?
But not on the main stage. We're going to be in the lounge.
In the lounge?
Performing after fucking...
Niggas just under like a tent. This shit, they got the 4 legs.
We're performing after Remy Boys. In the Budweiser Lounge C.
Yeah, baby.
Sponsored by Zatarain.
Oh my god.
Yo, we gotta get this Bodega Boys merch popping. We need the
real.
White Genocide tour shirts.
True.
We need the Caucasity State University shirts popping. We need the fucking Misogynoir tour t-shirts for all my black women out there.
Out here.
No more Black Girls or Magic t-shirts. Those are done.
We gotta do it. We gotta get into some.
Don't support black women anymore. Support a black man supporting a black woman.
True.
Support a black man making money off black women.
You know what I mean?
That's the American way.
That's the American way.
Speaking of people profiting off of black people who should have, fuck you, Pierce Morgan. Yo. If I ever catch you in the streets, I'm gonna beat you down.
Yo, we're gonna jump you, man.
I'm gonna beat you, and I'm gonna do that Bronx shit when you're beating someone and then you kick them in the head mad times and you don't need to, and you catch a felony murder charge.
Yep. And then somebody's in the background like, yo, chill.
He's done already.
Yo,
you wildin'. Yo, chill, man.
He's dead,
yo, he sleep already. Chill, he gave up.
Chill.
Yo, why you ain't gotta do that, fam?
Yo, this nigga's crazy.
Come on, man. He done already. chill.
Somebody has nothing to do with the fight at all. Like, nigga just came
old
out of
lady.
like, what?
Some lady pushing a cart, like, yo, chill.
Papi, no, papi, it's too much. You killing him, papi.
Stop.
Stop.
Stopping.
Stop. Papi, lo va a matar, papi.
Why are you giving this head? Stop.
God, no.
Stop.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
You thought Doug was about to run up like, hey guys.
Can I get a drop? Shout out to Doug Herzog.
God.
Oh man. Jeez. Oh man, back to back.
That's right.
Out here, did we cover none of the subjects or all of them at the same time?
Oh yeah.
Did we miss anything? Do you want to say anything about the NBA playoffs?
Yeah, the NBA playoffs are on and popping.
Are they? Someone had 33 threes or some shit like that.
Yeah, the Cavaliers, which Charles Barkley, which this is a multi-layer story.
Right.
The Cavaliers beat who the fuck are they playing? The Pacers? No, they didn't play the Pacers.
Mero so high.
Yeah, let's see.
I'll give you a hint.
What?
Bottoms.
The Heat. No, the two. Because I thought Chris Bosh. Nigga said bottoms.
Oh my god.
I said Chris Bosh. Chris Bosh is out of the game though. He's out for the season. He's done. He's done.
You said Chris Bosh.
Yeah, he's done. But he's done. He's
all right.
He's out of the for the entire playoffs because of some weird heart condition.
Right. Yeah.
So anyway, so LeBron James.
What city has a lot of bottoms?
San Francisco, Atlanta, the Hawks. Hey! So the Cavs are playing the Hawks and they're killing them. You know what I'm saying? But they keep shooting threes. So, like, they broke a record for threes made in the game or whatever, blah, blah, blah. Charles Barkley in the post-game says, yo, if you do that shit to me on my team, somebody's got to get, you know what I'm saying, got to get retaliated against or whatever.
Right.
Then Charles Oakley, the OG Nick, I know you niggas know, came out and was like, nigga, you pussy. Essentially. Was like,
he tweeted at him with the location on. Yo, remember they had that fight in the preseason back in the day. Preseason. And
I want you niggas to know. But the niggas
go Google it. It's on YouTube. Yep. That shit's not even in standard definition. That shit is like rat-ta-ta-ta-tooey. Fucking virtual aspect. That shit's mad grainy. That shit was shot through a potato. Yeah. That shit is the worst.
Incredible. But it was fucking... Yo, when the Knicks had the black jersey with the black on the side...
The black piping, pause.
Oh, man.
Woo!
Niggas were ruthless.
Yo.
Charles Oakley will fuck you up. But then he came out, he was like, yo, you bad pussy, Charles Barkley.
Bad pussy.
But then he did, because he saw that fight, and then he fell back and was like, did the turtle position on the floor.
Right.
He's mad.
Charles Barkley is a mad pussy.
Yeah,
he hates the Knicks.
Yeah. Come on, get him out of here.
You know what I'm saying?
He's been a Knick hater, too.
He used to vote Republican, but he's not voting for Donald Trump. So you're not even a real Republican.
Fucking coward.
Shout out to Donald Trump.
Fucking pussy.
I'm gonna vote for him because I'm trying to get my tax rate down.
Fucking clown. Shut the door.
Yeah, sure, whatever. We out here, man.
Yeah. So what else we got here? Prince died. Yeah, we talked about that.
Prince died. Yankees trash. Joanne the Scammer got scammed. Shout out to Joanne the Scammer.
Yo!
The scammer, remember?
Yeah.
Scammer be scammed and got scammed.
Yeah.
But got the account back, so it's all good on that.
Good.
You know?
It's because she's popping now. You know what I'm saying?
No one cares about as Dance's noted Twitter person.
True.
You know what I'm saying? As he says, no one cares about you until you're popping, and once you're popping, they're gonna try to tear you down.
Oh yeah, of course.
So Joanna Scammer was laying low, and the Nigerian, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Puppy.
Ran up in her hut.
Ran up in her hut.
You know what I'm saying?
Got the numbers. Shout out to Lancaster, that's soccer team.
Oh yeah.
Is that from?
That's Pennsylvania, right? Lancaster.
I don't know. That's from Game of Thrones.
Yeah, something like that.
I don't know. They won something.
They won the Westeros title. They beat Athletic.
They beat Jon Snow's.
They beat the Oakland Athletics.
Yeah, they beat the Westchester Dragons.
Yeah.
So shout out to them. No,
shout out to them niggas that do the foot game.
One of their forward kickers is Jamaican. So
where?
I don't know. I imagine everyone on the team would be a kicker, but I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I mean, I feel like if there was, because I'm very on some like pro Dominican shit. Right. I feel like I don't even know if there's no Dominican soccer players.
I don't know. You know what's funny? I'm a terrible Jamaican. I hate soccer.
Yeah.
I hate it.
It's kind of boring.
It is boring.
Like, you know what I'm saying?
But no, if you look, I get excited during the World Cup, but that's on some like American shit.
Yeah.
That's like for the first time in my life I feel accepted in America.
Right.
So I'm enjoying that. It's not about the fucking soccer. Don't give a fuck about soccer. Fuck out of here. Use your hands.
Use your fucking hands.
Use your fucking hands.
Is there a game that's like soccer but you can use your hands?
I wish.
That'd be kind of lit.
That'd be lit.
Can we invent that?
Some sort of game where like you throw the ball and niggas catch it.
Nigga catch a ball.
Yeah, I think that's called football. I don't want to rock your boat, but that's called.
Oh shit!
That's called football. My nigga Mero is out here flying. It's episode 21.5.
That's right.
Your boy Desus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Mr. 1994 en Nueva York, aka Mr. Bucho's Gully, aka Mr. Slobodan Might Know Your Bitch, aka Eli Litby.
That's right.
Got through all of that.
You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Kid Mero, aka Donovan McDab, nigga, aka Curb Gotti, aka East Street My CVB, the Human Durag Flap. You know what I'm saying? Episode 21.5, nigga. Enjoy this shit.
All right.
Cherish it.
We might do another one next week. Maybe not.
Maybe
you're going to be in the comments like, this shit's terrible. The comments are terrible. And KFC Barstool's going to be like, what is this shit?
Maybe we might just post up on like Popeyes and do a secret show. Maybe not.
You never know. The brand is strong.
You know what I'm saying?
The hairlines are strong. The pockets are strong. We out here. We do whatever we want. You do what you want on your pocket. You know what I'm saying? We don't need the art, but the art needs you. And the art has this. And Bodega Hive out here, dog. You know what I'm saying?
He was about to go into like a Busta Rhymes flow.
Busta Rhymes. I got that. Right. I couldn't. Once I start taking steroids, then wait till I take steroids, I'm all roided up.
Nigga, your neck is the same width as your head.
And I'm wearing that fucking official Under Armour Molester 7s. I'll be out here, nigga. But until then, it's Bodega Boys, iTunes. Be sure to hit us up on Twitter at Bodega Boys. This is your boy Desus Nice.
That's right.
On Twitter, on Snapchat, on Instagram, on Tumblr, on Popeyes.com.
He's on everything. Add the Kid Mero on every fucking social media platform, dog.
Let's go.
You know what I'm saying?
Until next time, until we meet again, my friends. We out.